Hello everyone, I just want to show you this view right now here in Halifax. It looks like Baguio City and Burnham Park with the snow, and it's very foggy today. Look at this, look at that view, guys. Look like we're here in Baguio with the pine trees, but it's Canada, Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. So let's go. I just drive my wife to work and we're going home. Look at this houses here. Let's go. Enjoy the view, guys. We're doing a vlog and I will show you that Halifax is like Baguio. It's like Baguio City. Okay, let's go. We'll make a video. Okay, so you will see that it's very nice. Okay, and I will play my music, guys. I will play my music. So like this. Oops, first the music. Ayan. Okay. My music career. Oops. FM, I know, not FM. Ayan, okay, let's go. Builta muna tayo, guys. Kapal ng isno pa, hindi pa natutunaw, oh. Enjoy, guys. Enjoy watching. It's foggy morning. Looks like we're driving highway. Hindi masyadong kita na foggy kasi salamin natin madumi. So ganito, guys. Nandito tayo sa Halifax para din tayong umuwi ng Baguio City, kaya hindi tayo masyadong na-homesick dito kasi maganda. Merong dagat, merong lake. Kung gusto mo sa city, meron ding downtown. Dito sa taas, guys, meron din silang Eastern College. Kaya parang dito ay banda nasa Gisad tayo. Imagine yung Gisad, Baguio City. Nagulat nga ako, guys, nung di ba na ako dito banda Eastern College. matataas na mga snow na naipon. Nag-enjoy ako mag-drive sa mga ganitong lugar, lalo na pag pumasyal tayo sa mga ibang parte ng Nova Scotia. Ang ganda. Pagi, malapit na ako sa aming tinitirhan. Meron pala ditong always stop kahit walang dumadaang tao o ibang sasakyan, kailangan pa rin natin mag-stop. So ganyan po dito ang pag-drive. Ganyan dito, stop, proceed when clear. Ganyan.